Hey guys, Chef RedBeard here with another recipe for you, and this one is bananas, literally. Have one banana, one whole banana, not a quarter and a half, one whole banana. Finally, a recipe for all you banana lovers, because I talk so much trash about bananas. This is for you. One banana. You can add two if you would like, but one banana today. This is kind of like that frozen banana that's dipped in chocolate with the popsicle stick and then like the hard coating over top of it. It's kind of like that, but in a liquid form. This is a chocolate smoothie, not just chocolate, chocolate and banana. To add some smooth, some creaminess, I'm going to add one small, you can add a medium, avocado. I just put a little bit of lemon juice, literally a squeeze of lemon juice on the avocado, or you can put it in acidulated water just to keep it from oxidizing. Acidulated water is water with acid, so just a squeeze of lemon juice, perfect. Got some agave. Into our blender. And some fresh nut milk. This is almond milk that we made, recipe you can find in the website just by a quick little search. Just literally type in almond milk and it'll pop up. Lastly, chocolate, because I promised you. This is cacao. This is the stuff that chocolate is made from or of. And this is about 2 tablespoons. Everything into a blender, blend it until smooth. This will be a brown chocolate delicious velvety smoothie. So give it about a minute. It's about 40-45 seconds. I just want to check. There's nothing in this recipe that really needs to be broken down. A little airlock in the blender. Oh my goodness. Your kids or your significant other or somebody's gonna love you, because this looks like a chocolate pudding smoothie. Oh my goodness. This looks I don't know if we're gonna have enough to like make and then take a picture of it and then try to share this with somebody, because after this, guys, I'm crushing. If you want a little cacao on the top, but check that out. That's our chocolate banana smoothie. Fairly simple, very few ingredients, but it is delicious. If you'd like to see this recipe and others, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Click the little bell icon on the corner and follow us at www.dherbs.com/me, Chef RedBeard. Enjoy.